Did you know that after the age of 30, your body naturally produces less and less collagen every single year? In fact, studies show you can lose up to 1% of collagen annually, and by the time you're 70, you might have lost nearly 70% of the collagen your skin once had. That's what leads to deep wrinkles, sagging skin, dull texture, and a tired appearance. This isn't just cosmetic, it's a sign that your skin structure is breaking down. Collagen is the protein that holds your skin firm, tight, and youthful. Without it, your face changes. The jawline softens, the cheeks sink, and lines around your eyes and mouth deepen. Sun exposure, stress, smoking, sugar, lack of sleep, and even pollution all speed up this damage, and it happens silently little by little. You may not even notice until one day you look in the mirror and wonder, when did I start looking this old? But here's the truth. You don't have to accept this as normal aging. While we can't stop time, we can support the skin's natural collagen and even stimulate new collagen growth naturally. No injections, no expensive treatments, no false promises. Just the healing power of natural facial oils, backed by science and trusted by cultures around the world for centuries. These oils are more than just moisturizers. They are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, fatty acids, and natural compounds that go deep into the skin, boost elasticity, and help erase fine lines. They help repair the skin barrier, protect against environmental damage, and stimulate the fibroblast cells that create collagen. Many popular anti-aging creams are filled with harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, or synthetic retinoids that can cause irritation, redness, or long-term harm. But plant oils are gentle, effective, and safer for sensitive or mature skin. The secret lies in how the skin absorbs oils. Your skin is made of fat-loving layers. Oils can penetrate deeper than water-based creams, delivering nutrients directly to the layers where collagen is made. One of the most powerful oils for anti-aging is rosehip oil. It's called nature's retinol because it contains natural vitamin A. This helps speed up skin renewal, smooth fine lines, and reduce dark spots without peeling or dryness. It also has vitamin C, which protects against sun damage and boosts collagen. Just a few drops at night can give your skin a brighter, tighter look within weeks. Another miracle oil is argan oil, often called liquid gold. This oil from Morocco is packed with vitamin E and essential fatty acids that deeply moisturize and improve skin elasticity. A 2014 study found that argan oil improves skin firmness in postmenopausal women in just 60 days. It's lightweight, non-greasy, and perfect for dry, mature, or damaged skin. If your skin is oily or acne-prone, try jojoba oil. It mimics your skin's natural sebum, so it balances oil production while delivering key nutrients like zinc, vitamin B, and iodine. It doesn't clog pores and can actually help tighten skin and reduce redness. Use jojoba as a base oil or apply a few drops directly after cleansing. These oils don't just work on the surface, they activate collagen-building processes deep within the skin. According to research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, plant oils can reduce visible signs of aging by up to 25% in 6 weeks when used regularly. Another benefit? These oils fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and speed up aging. Antioxidant-rich oils like rosehip and argan protect your skin from pollution, UV rays, and daily stress. Think of them as your skin's personal shield, but you must be consistent. One application won't erase years of damage. Like brushing your teeth, oiling your skin should be a daily habit. Apply a few drops every night using gentle upward motions. Massage it in. Let your skin soak up the nutrients while you sleep. And don't forget your neck and chest. Those areas show age quickly. Also, using oils doesn't mean you skip sunscreen. In fact, combine your natural oils with a mineral SPF in the morning to protect your new collagen from breaking down in the sun. Are you wondering if oils can really replace your expensive night cream? The answer is yes. In fact, many luxury creams use these very oils in their formulas, but charge you hundreds for them. Why pay extra for filler ingredients when you can use the pure, potent oils directly on your skin? And you don't need 20 products. Just 2 or 3 well-chosen oils can transform your skin in weeks. That's the beauty of nature. Simple, powerful, and affordable. Another tip: store your oils in a dark, cool place. Use dark glass bottles to preserve their nutrients, and always choose cold-pressed organic oils for best results. Now, you may be asking, how long before I see results? For most people, visible improvements start within 2 to 4 weeks. Your skin will feel softer, look plumper, and gain that healthy glow. Wrinkles will soften, skin tone will even out, and you'll feel more confident every time you look in the mirror. These oils are especially powerful for people over 50, 60, or even 70 because mature skin needs more nourishment. In fact, the older you are, the more your skin benefits from natural oils. And remember, this isn't just about beauty, it's about skin health. Collagen supports the skin's structure and healing process. When your collagen is strong, your skin is more resilient, less prone to tearing, and better at fighting inflammation. So this is also about protecting your skin as you age. You've spent years taking care of others. It's time to take care of your skin with love, patience, and the wisdom of nature. The truth is, there are still more powerful oils out there. Oils that can lift sagging skin, fade age spots, brighten dull complexions, and even firm up the neck area, which many people forget to care for. One of the most powerful oils for deep skin regeneration is pomegranate seed oil. This oil is rich in punicic acid, a rare omega-5 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation and boosts the skin's ability to repair itself. It also stimulates the skin cells that produce collagen and elastin, making your skin firmer and more elastic over time. Pomegranate oil also contains natural phytoestrogens, which can be especially helpful for postmenopausal women whose estrogen levels have dropped, leading to thinner, drier skin. Apply a few drops in the morning after cleansing or mix with your daily moisturizer. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy feeling. Another oil that deserves attention is sea buckthorn oil. This deep orange oil is often called a superfood for the skin. It's packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which help reduce oxidative stress and brighten the skin. Sea buckthorn is known to support skin regeneration and is used in traditional Chinese and Tibetan medicine. It can help reduce sunspots, smooth out uneven skin tone, and give your face a more youthful glow. Just 1 or 2 drops mixed with a base oil like jojoba or argan is enough. Be careful. Its color is strong, so always dilute it. For those struggling with laugh lines, crow's feet, or sagging jawlines, one of the best oils is tamanu oil. This oil is derived from the nut of the tamanu tree and has been used for centuries in Polynesia for wound healing and scar repair. What makes tamanu oil so special is its ability to stimulate new tissue growth, a process known as cicatrization. This means it not only protects the skin, it helps rebuild it. Tamanu oil is rich in calophyllolide, a compound with anti-inflammatory properties that reduce puffiness and redness. It's also antimicrobial, which helps keep the skin clear. Use it at night around the eyes, mouth, or anywhere you have deeper lines. Now you might be wondering, can you mix these oils together? Absolutely. In fact, creating a DIY anti-aging facial oil blend can give your skin a powerful combination of nutrients in one simple formula. Here's a beginner-friendly recipe you can make at home. In a dark glass bottle, add 10 milliliters of rosehip oil, 10 milliliters of argan oil, and 5 milliliters of jojoba oil. To that, add 3 drops of sea buckthorn oil, 3 drops of tamanu oil, and 5 drops of pomegranate seed oil. If you want to enhance the scent and benefits, you can add 2 drops of frankincense essential oil, which is known for its wrinkle-fighting and skin-tightening effects. Shake the bottle gently before each use. Every night before bed, apply 4 to 5 drops to your clean face and neck. Use gentle upward motions and take a few moments to massage the oil into your skin. This improves blood circulation, encourages lymphatic drainage, and helps the oils penetrate deeply. If you want to boost the effect even more, try using a jade roller or gua sha tool after applying the oil. These tools help firm the skin, reduce puffiness, and stimulate collagen naturally. Over time, this can lift the face and improve skin tone. Now let's talk about what else you can do to support collagen from the inside out. While topical oils work wonders, your lifestyle plays a huge role in skin aging. First, make sure you're drinking plenty of water, at least 8 glasses a day. Hydrated skin looks plumper, smoother, and more radiant. Second, focus on eating collagen-rich foods. bone broth, wild-caught fish, eggs, citrus fruits, berries, spinach, and nuts are all great for skin health. These foods contain amino acids and antioxidants that help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Third, get enough quality sleep. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues and produces growth hormones that are essential for skin renewal. Aim for 7 to 8 hours each night and sleep on your back if possible to prevent wrinkles caused by pillow pressure. Fourth, protect your skin from the sun. UV rays are the #1 cause of collagen breakdown. Even on cloudy days, always apply a broad-spectrum mineral sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. You can apply your facial oil underneath your sunscreen for added moisture and protection. Finally, manage stress. High stress levels increase cortisol, a hormone that breaks down collagen and causes inflammation. Practice gentle activities like walking, meditation, or deep breathing to keep your body in balance. Remember, aging is natural, but how you age is up to you. You don't need injections or surgery to feel beautiful in your skin. You just need the right tools and the right mindset. With these 6 golden facial oils, rosehip, argan, jojoba, pomegranate seed, sea buckthorn, and tamanu, you can nourish your skin, stimulate collagen, and turn back the clock, all from the comfort of your home. Your skin is not too old to heal. It's not too damaged to glow again. It just needs care, consistency, and a little bit of nature's golden touch. So don't give up on your reflection. Start tonight. Choose one oil or make the full blend and begin your journey to healthier, firmer, more radiant skin. You deserve to feel good when you look in the mirror. Because aging with grace doesn't mean giving up. It means glowing differently. If this video helped you, please give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health and skin tips. Let us know in the comments. Which oil will you try first? Your feedback helps others discover the power of nature too. This is your time to shine. Wrinkles don't define you. Let your glow speak louder. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.